Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Plaid link flows for insurance premium collection. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Plaid link flows for insurance premium collection, begin by logging into your Plaid account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Link. Click on the Create Link Token button. Fill in the required information for the link token setup. Specify the desired products for your integration. Make sure to include auth for accessing bank account information. For insurance premium collection, include relevant billing details. Once you have filled out the required fields, click Create. You will receive a link token in response. Next, integrate this link token into your application. Use the Plaid Link client-side SDK for this integration. Follow the SDK documentation for proper implementation. Customize the Plaid Link user interface to match your brand if needed. Once implemented, initiate the Plaid Link flow in your application. This triggers the user interface for bank account linking. Users will be prompted to select their bank and log in. After successful login, they will be redirected back to your application. Receive bank account information and transaction data. Store this information securely for billing purposes. Finally, ensure your billing system is set up to process payments from linked accounts. With these steps completed, you are ready to collect insurance premiums using Plaid link flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.